Hedgehogs are small and adorable animals. They are famous for their sharp spines. Hedgehogs live in forests, gardens, and grasslands. Many hedgehogs live in Europe, Asia, and Africa. They love quiet and safe places. Hedgehogs are mostly active at night. This makes them nocturnal animals. They have tiny eyes and small ears. Their noses are very good at smelling food. Hedgehogs walk slowly but carefully. Their bodies are covered with sharp spines. The spines help protect them from enemies. When scared, hedgehogs roll into a ball. This hides their soft body safely. Foxes and owls may hunt hedgehogs. Their spines help them survive danger. Hedgehogs eat insects, worms, and snails. Sometimes they also eat fruits and plants. Hedgehogs help farmers by eating harmful insects. This helps gardens and farms stay healthy. Hedgehogs are important for nature's balance. They help control insect populations. Healthy ecosystems need animals of all sizes. Hedgehogs usually live alone. They rest during the daytime in nests. Their nests are made from leaves and grass. Mother hedgehogs care for their babies carefully. Baby hedgehogs are called hoglets. Hoglets are born with soft tiny spines. The spines become stronger as they grow. Young hedgehogs learn survival skills from their mother. Hedgehogs are intelligent and curious animals. They love exploring their surroundings at night. Their strong sense of smell helps them find food. Hedgehogs can also swim when needed. Some hedgehogs sleep deeply during winter. This long sleep is called hibernation. Hibernation helps them survive cold weather. Sadly, many hedgehogs lose their homes today. Road accidents also harm many hedgehogs. Pollution affects small animals badly. Cutting trees and bushes destroys safe habitats. People can help hedgehogs by protecting nature. Gardens with plants and leaves help wildlife survive. Clean environments support healthy ecosystems. Scientists study hedgehogs to learn about nature. Children can help by respecting animals and forests. Every small animal has an important role on Earth. Nature becomes stronger when wildlife is protected. The story of the hedgehog teaches us to love animals and conserve nature for the future. If you love the wild nature, please subscribe, like and share to get more videos.